Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2022 Della Terra 292 by East to West RV. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, and then we will close it up and show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are up inside the brand new 2022 Della Terra 292MK here. We're going to spin our way through the back and then we'll head up front. So first things up, we have two freestanding chairs. They are pushback recliners. Nice big windows overlooking the campsite area of the RV. Traditional booth dinette that will fold down and make into a bed. There's a drawer on the left and then storage under the right. Across the back of the RV, you have a sofa area here. Now this sofa will actually flip down and make it to a small bed also. There's also storage underneath the sofa. You have a little end table on each side. A little bit of storage space under that end table as well. Overhead cabinets across the back. Ducted AC back here. Electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater, but it's a pretty cool looking feature in an RV. This one was ordered with the TV as well. 39-inch Furrion HD LED TV. Has the Furrion stereo just above there. There's a couple speakers in the roof in here, and then you'll also see some when we go outside. On the side of the island here, there's a little heat vent blowing out. Then on the back side, we have our propane leak detector and two electric outlets, one on each side as well. A little bit of storage space on the side of the island. The large spring sprayer faucet, undermount stainless sink, and then you have some storage under here. Over on the other side, you do have a little pantry area here on the left. Magic Chef microwave they're currently using. Some storage down below, along with some drawer space. Currently using the Magic Chef oven, which does have the glass front. There's a light in the oven area. The light up knobs, 3-burner stovetop. Hood range light and fan, some storage up there as well. Magic Chef 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator system. Some storage on this side of the island. There's a roof vent up top here for ventilating out some air. Big storage area over here as well. There is a return vent down below and your electric box with breakers and fuses down there. A little bit of storage on the side. Another heat vent there. Electric outlet. The thermostat for the AC and furnace. Light switch there as well. Control panel here for your slides and awning, some light switches, water pump, water heater, your monitor panel and stuff all right here. Back in behind this doorway here, we do have the bathroom area here. So you have the foot flush toilet, step-in shower, does have a little pull across vinyl like curtain thing there, skylight up above, roof vent and fan up above. Some storage space, medicine cabinet area there. A little bit of storage under your sink as well. Back this direction, we have the bathroom area, the bedroom area. So on the right side here, there's an electric outlet and USB charger port over there. Window on the right does open. Little closet area, drawer space, and overhead cabinet area as well. Up top here is pre-wired for the 4G LTE Wi-Fi gateway. It has the 360 antenna setup on it, so you could aftermarket do a Wi-Fi setup. Another little roof vent up here. Window over there does open. The bed will also raise up as well. Camper king bed. You could aftermarket if you wanted to, cut it down to a queen, take out the mattress, put in your own mattress if you want. Basically just trim off the plywood topper, give you a few more inches of space in here width-wise, depending on what your preference is bed size-wise. Little storage space area over there. And you have TV hookups on the wall here, so if you wanted to mount a TV here, you could. One other thing I did forget to mention, on the slides in here, they are using that kind of like woven material they use on like pontoon boats and stuff instead of actual carpet. So a little bit tougher, a little bit easier to keep clean, and it doesn't break as easy as putting like linoleum on those moving slides. So I do like that a little bit better as well. All right, we are going to head outside. I want to show you around the outside, and then we're going to come back in and close it up. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we're now back on the outside of the brand new 2022 Della Terra 292MK by East to West here. Starting here on the door side of the RV, we have an aluminum exterior, wood studded constructed. The unit has a power awning with LED light strip built in, adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff purposes. The unit comes standard with heavy-duty scissor jacks, manual jacks, option for power stabilizers if you want to opt those in. Large pass-through storage compartment. There is a motion light on each side. There are two outdoor speakers here. You have a cable outlet and an electric outlet here as well, so you could set up a little TV area out here if you wanted to. Watch the game on the weekend. Tinted windows. Traditional RV entry door and screen door. Does have the More Ride step above step ordered on this one. It comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet, rated for 500 pounds, where the traditional hover style step is only rated for 300 pounds. Large folding entry handle to help you get in and out of the doorway there. The slide outs are pre-prepped for Solaire slide toppers. So if you wanted to add awning toppers over top of the slides, you could do so. Those are pretty nice to have. They help shade the room. They also help repel a lot of water from rain and leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff from landing on the slide roof. Down below there is a gas line hookup back here, so you could plug in a portable grill if you wanted to. Spare tire, traditional 4-inch bumper on the back, 4-inch square tube bumper, and basically that's where a lot of people like to store their dump hose. They mount their spare tires on them. The units are currently riding on Goodyear Endurance tires. The unit is prepped for the Furrion rear observation or backup camera. Nice feature to have, allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite. Definitely talk with your sales guy about adding that. The unit is also prepped for the portable detachable ladder. That's that little black, about 14-inch long piece there below the right running light. That right there is a new Lippert thing that they started doing. So they prep it right there. There's a telescoping ladder that you can buy aftermarket, hook it on there and climb up and check your roof. The unit is a dual axle unit, drum brakes, 6-lug, easy lube hubs. You do have 2 drains on the RV as well. So you have your galley drain over here on the right. Over on the left is the gray and black drain. Just back in behind there is also the hot and cold low point water drains. Detachable power cord. This one was ordered with 30 amp electric service. You can also order them with 50 and also add a second AC to it as well. There's a cold water spray port just below that electric outlet there. City water inlet, 6-gallon gas electric water heater right here, and then you have your furnace exhaust out here as well. Gravity fill, fresh water fill is right here. And then just down below is the freshwater tank drain. Also, while we're down here, you can see enclosed underbelly as well. The other side of the storage compartment has a little bit of a docking station area here. So you have an electric outlet here, cable and satellite inlets, battery disconnect, cold water and hot water outside utility shower. City water inlet is also right here. Little cold water spray port. And again, motion light as well. Now, right here are some important informational stickers. We're going to pop these up for you real quick. The very first one popping up is going to be your main data sticker. This sticker is basically telling you the production date, VIN number, axle sizes, but most importantly on this sticker is going to be your gross vehicle weight. That is the most you can load the RV up to before you overload it, basically. Axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. The next one is going to be your unloaded vehicle weight sticker. And this right here is basically telling you what the RV weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line. And it also has the length on it. The next sticker popping up is going to be your cargo carrying capacity sticker, basically telling you how much gear you can load into the RV before you overload it and exceed that gross vehicle weight. So very important to pay attention to those weights and do not exceed them. And last but not least is going to be your tire sticker. Here it is telling you tire size, but most importantly on this sticker is tire pressure. Do not let your tire pressure drop too low, guys. Very important. If it drops too low, the tires cannot hold the weight of the RV properly and can blow out easier. So make sure you do check that from time to time. Also remember to check your lug nut torque from time to time as well. Up top here, we forgot to talk about the roof. So popping up, here's a picture of the roof. And you can kind of see up here you have things like plumbing stack vents, ACs, TV antennas, all that type of stuff. Make sure you get up there from time to time and maintain the roof seals. Very, very important so it does not leak. You do have on the front section here a really nice sloped front end. So it's not the traditional square box front that some RVs have. And that really kind of helps a little bit with aerodynamics, just rolling that wind over top of it a little easier. The lower portion is a black diamond plate. You have a hitch light back in behind here. You can see there's room for probably 2 batteries. It comes with 1 from Couch's RV Nation. If you do want an extra, talk with your sales guy. They can go over that with you as well. 2 20-pound propane tanks under that black bottle cover there. Power tongue jack, built-in light, manual override, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety change, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. The unit again does have brakes, so make sure you have a brake controller in your tow vehicle to control the brakes of the RV when you're traveling. All right, we're going to head back inside. I'm going to close it up and we'll show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back inside the new 2022 Della Terra 292MK here. And I just want to show you what it looks like closed. So when you do walk in and you are ready to close it up, you got to come back to your control panel here. Has both your slide buttons, your awning button, interior light switch, awning light switch, water heater button on gas, water pump switch, monitor panel, all that stuff right here. So when you are ready to run it in, you're going to basically just push the buttons in. Now, when you are closed up, you can still walk right in here, get to your bathroom and get to your bedroom. So you're not obstructing that area at all. Now, running in the slides, very important to make sure the floor's clean. Make sure your cabinets and stuff are closed up so that nothing gets damaged. These are 12 volt slide motors, rack and pinion system. Pretty simple system to use when building an RV. But it comes in pretty close, so you're not really getting to any of that portion. But that's the importance of keeping everything nice and tight and closed up so nothing gets damaged. And next here, we're going to run in the other room. You'll notice it pops up. Hit the right button, that will help. Kind of comes up a little bit over the subfloor. So when it's in, you can see here, we can still walk right on in here. I can squeeze in here, get to my refrigerator if I needed to. I can also come back here, reach over, wash my hands at my sink. If I really truly had to, I could probably climb over the dinette to grab something out of the back without opening things up. But I wouldn't really recommend doing that if you can keep from it. Just real simple to push the button and run it right back out. And then when you're ready to go back out, just hit the out button. Thanks again, guys, for taking the time to watch my RV videos. I really do appreciate it. Be sure to check out the people at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Will definitely help save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. Thanks again.